Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm going to be watching a newly dropped trailer of an upcoming Tamil film. This movie is called Veera Dheera Suran and this is directed by Arun Kumar, who is the same director of Chitta. What an amazing film. This movie stars Chyan Vikram and S.J. Surya. So I'm very excited that what is Arun Kumar's next directorial venture, because Chitta was an amazingly well directed and of course well acted and well written film. And so the teaser for this released, I think, a month back or 2 months back, I don't remember, but I have not watched the teaser, so I've been made aware of the trailer, so I'm directly watching this trailer right now. So yeah, let's watch this right away. Okay.
அண்ணே
Right.
ஒரு 10-15 பேர் இருக்காங்கண்ணே. சீக்கிரம் வேலையை முடிக்கலாம், ரிஸ்க்குண்ணே.
சார், they deserve it. அது எந்த டவுட்டும் இல்லை. திருவிழா இருக்கு, அதான் விதியிலதுக்குள்ள அவனை முடிக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
He's the police officer. Suraj is also there. Okay.
போட்ட பிளான் கரெக்டா நடக்குது. எங்க எதுவும் மிஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது. காரியங்களா இருக்கா?
எங்கண்ணே இருக்க நீ? உனக்காக தானே வெயிட்டிங்க.
Oh, that was a good shot.
ஐயா, அவங்ககிட்ட ஒரு ஆளே இல்லையா?
அந்த சம்பவம் ஞாபகம் இருக்குல்ல?
He's Veera. Huh? And Veera also? Part 2?
மிஸ் ஆகாதுல, நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன்.
Oh. Wait. I need to watch part 1 then. What was part 1? When did part 1 release? Okay, I had no idea. Guys, I'm sorry. That's my bad. Okay, I was just searching for part 1, but I can't see anything. One song is also released from this. Kalluram. Let me know if you want me to react to the song or not. Okay, I'm a little confused here, so you guys can let me know what is part 1 and what is part 2, what is the context in that. But anyway, this looks very different and this looks quite massy. I mean, I'll just compare it with Chitta because that was his last film, and there the tone and the look and feel of the film was very different. And here, even if you see the color grading, it's very different. The colors are popping out. It's more, I don't know, it's more stark and bright in terms of its color palette. Of course, Vikram in this kind of avatar, it just suits him because when he's doing these massy, I won't say larger than life, but mostly massy action roles, it suits his persona, it suits his physique, and he carries that role very naturally. Like, you can see when he's on screen, when he's doing the action or he's being aggressive or he is being a dominant person, you believe him because of the demeanor he has, the way he carries himself. It comes very naturally to him. Like, he does not have to fake swag. I mean, Vikram equals swag. That's like very obvious. And S.J. Surya, I love him as an actor. I absolutely love him. Him in cop roles is something that I cherish a lot, whether it be a good cop or a bad cop. But if I see S.J. Surya as a cop, I'm like, okay, yeah, this is a win. But I want to know, guys, do you think that he's getting boxed in this persona? Because if you see S.J. Surya and cop roles, there are way too many. So I just want to understand, as an actor, do you think he's getting boxed, or do you think like, no, this is just his zone and I think he should maximize his potential till the time he can? I think the music complemented the trailer really well, the way it was edited out. Specifically, if you see the elevation moment in the music comes when Vikram just enters with that and so that elevation moment was absolutely perfectly placed in this trailer. And I think when it comes to GV Prakash, his musicals and his BGM, I don't think it needs any introduction. It's always very, very well curated. I would definitely like more context from you guys, because I'm seeing, because when I scrolled for part 1, I couldn't find anything, but I'm seeing a lot of material had come out quite earlier. Like, I'm seeing the title teaser, which is like almost 4 minutes, right? Yeah, that came out 11 months ago and I somehow missed it for some reason. I'm really sorry, that's my bad. But I'm glad that I finally reacted to the trailer. And just before the release, okay, it's going to release next week. So I have 2 movies. So I was, of course, planning Empuran. And then this will also be on my watch list. And I'm very, very excited. Anything with Vikram, I'm very excited to watch, because, and Surya, oh, SJ Surya and Vikram, this is going to be a great combo. Also, did not know Suraj was also part of the cast, and I absolutely adore him as an actor. So this looks great, actually. This looks great. And Vikram's character, even though he's a badass, I think he is still the underdog. Like, he plays for the underdog's team. It's more like that, like the underprivileged, or the one community who is not economically as prevalent. And I don't know if it includes any police brutality or political drama. It seems to me like that, but of course we'll know more once we watch the film. But so far so good. I liked it, and you guys let me know your thoughts. And yes, that was my reaction to Veera Dheera Suran trailer. And I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.